Another day of school. Another day of boringness. Can this day get any more worst?
Rosie.
Yeah. I have to go to school. You don't have to come up in my room to tell me.
Well then, since you know that you need to go to school, I just want to remind you don't cause any trouble at school. Do you understand, young lady?
Yeah. Just leave my room so I can get ready.
Fine, just do what you need to do and get ready. I don't have all day.
Man, my dad is so annoying. I wish I can take one day without him. But enough sitting around, I better get ready for boring school. Man, I really hate school.
Good morning, class. Welcome back. I hope you had a great weekend. Today, we are going to learn some math. Take out your math books.
Ugh, this really sucks. While my dad keeps on forcing me to go to school, I'm over here in this godforsaken building of boredom. I really need to do something. But what is there I can do? Come on, Rosie, think. Yes, I will pull the fire alarm. That will be the greatest idea ever. Ha. Soon when lunch comes, I will be in the hallway to pull the fire alarm.
All right, class, it's now lunch. You can now go to lunch. Enjoy your lunch.
Okay then, now that lunch started, I'm now going to pull the fire alarm.
Oh no, the fire alarm has been turned on. We better get out of here.
Oh no, the fire alarm has been pulled. I better get out of here.
Oh crap, the fire alarm has been turned on. Come on everyone, let's get out of here.
Oh my gosh, is everybody okay?
Yes, I think everyone got out.
Ha. That was so funny.
Rosie, come to my office now. I repeat. Rosie, come to my office now. Rosie, I can't believe you pulled the fire alarm. Why did you do this?
Oh come on, Principal Ramirez. Isn't it obvious?
Rosie, don't even start with you not going to school. You know what, I'm not even going to bother. You're suspended for a month, go home, and I will be calling your parents.
Whoa. Rosie, how dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it, you are grounded for a month. Go to your room, right now.